In a private sharing model, the following can be used when role hierarchy alone isn't sufficient when providing record access to users. Choose all that apply. A. Forecasting. B. Sharing rules. C. Manual sharing. D. Teams, account, sales in case E. Apex triggers. Inline editing updates the field when A. The field is saved, updated. B. When the record is saved, updated. C. When the return key is pressed. D. None of the above. The following can be done by a system admin to a standard field. A. Change the field label. B. Add help text. C. Add edit values of a pick list. D. Delete the field. E. All of the above. F. None of the above. Which of the following is not a standard profile? A. System administrator. B. Read only. C. Marketing director. D. Partner portal user. E. Standard administrator. To enable field history tracking for an object, the system administrator must also add the related list to the page layout. A. True. B. False. Case escalation rules, triggered on the last modification, will be reset each time a user adds an activity or sends an email from the case record. A. True. B. False. Based solely on the role hierarchy, a manager can do all of the following except A. View, edit, delete, and transfer his/her and his/her subordinates' records. B. Extend sharing on both his/her and his/her subordinates' records. C. View all folders his/her subordinate has access to, i.e., reports, documents, and email templates. D. View records his subordinate does not own, but can view. What is required to create a new user? A. Unique username in email format. B. Locale settings. C. Profile. Standard or custom. D. Role. How many instances of personal tags can be applied to records? A. 50. B. 5,000. C. 50,000. D. 500,000. Only users with create and customize permission can access the report. A. True. B. False. When you click Printable View, the report will display in a print-ready format in Excel. A. True. B. False. Select the order in which the workflow actions fire in Salesforce. A. Field updates, outbound messages, email alerts, tasks. B. Field updates, tasks, email alerts, outbound messages. C. Apex before triggers, apex after triggers, workflow rules. D. Email alerts, outbound messages, field updates. Multiple approvers have received your request for approving a discount that was invoked by the approval process. Approver A rejects your request. Approver B accepts your request after approver A rejects it. Is your request approved or denied? Assume you need only one person to approve out of all the approvers. A. Approve. B. Denied. C. Approval process is revoked. D. Approval changes to pending stage due to conflict within approvers. Active currencies live in company profile, user record, personal setup, and in opportunity record. A. True. B. False. Which statements are true about standard fields? A. STD fields are created by admin. B. You can delete STD fields. C. You can change the STD field labels. D. You can remove required STD fields from a page layout. The running user doesn't override the sharing rule while allowing users to see high-level sales data for everyone, not just A. True. B. False. Which of the following needs to be specified in order to schedule a report? A. The running user. B. Start date. C. Email report. D. Preferred start time. Case escalation rules, triggered on the last modification, will be reset each time a user adds a related comment to the case. A. True. B. False. Customizable forecasting is a prerequisite in order to enable territory management. A. True. B. False. Is it possible for a user to see different set of data in report and in a dashboard based on the same report? A. Yes. B. No. Do validation rules get enforced on the lead conversion? A. Yes. B. No. Multiple record types may be created for every tab with the exception of A. Home tab, B. Forecast tab, C. Documents tab, D. Leads tab, E. Report tab. The system administrator has created a new custom object and application. This individual now needs to populate the new object with 1,000 records, which are formatted in a CSV file. The import wizard, data management, and GT, import custom objects, is appropriate for this task. A. True. B. False. File attachments, document tabs, and Salesforce content count towards data storage. A. True. B. False. Documents count toward data storage. A. True. B. False. Using the following hierarchy, if a sharing rule exists granting operations person read, write access to sales management on the account object, What access does operations management have to sales management's accounts? Default access for the account object is public read-only. Executive management, salesperson, operations management, operations person. A. None. B. Read-only. C. Read-write. D. Read-write transfer. Is it true that campaigns and opportunities have many-to-many relationship? A. True. B. False. Which of the following are standard Salesforce applications? Choose all that apply. A. Ideas. B. Campaigns. C. Administration. D. Call center. E. Sales center. The value in a custom field called salary is 50,000. What would the formula ICE number salary _ C return? A. False. B. True. C. Depends on the user's locale. D. 50.000. Custom report types CRT allows you to build a framework from which users can create and customize reports in the report wizard, but not in Report Builder. A. True. B. False. Are custom object reports accessible when you add a custom object tab? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only if the object is not related to any other object. A custom lookup field can be added to create a relationship between a standard object and which of the following objects? A. Users and custom objects. B. Leads, accounts, contacts, and custom objects. C. Users, custom objects, and campaigns. D. Custom objects, contract, and campaigns. Is identity confirmation necessary if a user's IP address is known and browser cookie exists? A. True. B. False. At this ClickPath Setup NGT, App Setup NGT, Customize NGT, Tab Names and Labels NGT. Rename tabs and labels. You can rename the tab names of standard objects. A. True. B. False. Default values are available for standard text fields. A. True. B. False. Which of the following does Salesforce CRM provide for restricting login access to the application? Choose 3 answers. A. Profile-based IP restrictions. B. Organization-wide IP restrictions. C. Profile-based login hour restrictions. D. Organization-wide login hour restrictions. What does campaign influence allow a user to do? A. View the entire campaign hierarchy. B. Report on the campaigns that have contributed to an opportunity. C. Summarize campaign member statistics on a campaign. D. Adjust the percentage of influence each campaign has on an opportunity. Which 3 features can automatically create a case? Choose 3. A. SMS to case. B. Lightning for Outlook. C. Process Builder. D. Email to case. E. Web to case. When creating users, does the alias need to be unique? A. Yes. B. No. Which Salesforce editions support Sandbox? A. Unlimited. B. Professional. C. Contact Manager. D. Group. E. Developer. F. Enterprise. When are the formula fields recalculated? A. Every 15 minutes. B. Every time they are seen. C. After every DML operation. D. Admin can set the time of refresh. How many ranges can be defined in the case of a conditional highlighting? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The sidebar search does not search the following. Choose 3 answers. A. Custom objects. B. Documents. C. Products. D. Reports. E. Solutions. Up to 25 custom lookup fields can be defined per object. A. True. B. False. How many workflow rules can you create per entity? A. 10. B. 15. C. 20. D. 25. Case assignment rules are based on elapsed time. A. True. B. False. It is possible for a user to own a record and not see it if they don't have the read permission to the object. A. True. B. False. Which report type provides a simple list of data with no subtotals? A. Matrix. B. Summary. C. Tabular. D. Custom. E. Standard. You will need a security token to access Salesforce via. Choose all that apply. A. Import Wizard. B. Data Loader. C. Salesforce for Outlook. D. All of the above. An opportunity that reaches the threshold with 80% probability will trigger additional alerts if the probability subsequently goes higher to 85%. A. Yes. B. No. C. Depends on the settings. Where will a campaign associated with a lead be visible? Choose 2 answers. A. Campaign-related list. B. Campaign history report. C. Lead history report. D. Opportunity-related list. What is a managed package? A. A managed package is a collection of application components that are posted as a unit on AppExchange. B. They differ from unmanaged packages in that some components are locked, allowing the managed package to be upgraded later. C. Allows the system administrator to modify the application. D. Managed packages do not include locked components and cannot be upgraded. What can a task do that an email alert cannot do? Choose two answers. A. Tasks allow you to track the specific actions you plan to perform or have performed. B. Email alerts cannot track specific actions. C. Email alerts allow you to track the specific actions you plan to perform or have performed. D. Tasks cannot track specific actions. Assets are related to which of the following sets of objects? A. Opportunities, products, cases, accounts, and contacts. B. Products, cases, accounts, and contacts. C. Cases, contracts, accounts, and contacts. D. Opportunities, cases, and accounts. E. Opportunity line items, cases, accounts, and contacts. Custom formula fields are recalculated. A. Nightly. B. Every 20 minutes. C. Once per user session. D. Each time a user views the record. Which of the following are true about master-detail relationship in custom objects? A. Sharing is inherited from parent. B. Child needs to be manually deleted when parent is deleted. C. Only child fields are available for reporting. D. Lookup field child is required. Which of the following can be used to create a backup of data from Salesforce? A. Weekly data export. B. Data loader. C. Import wizard. D. Reports. E. Dashboards. You can map a custom LED field to only one of the following objects at a single instance. Choose all that apply. A. Account. B. Contacts. C. Cases. D. Opportunities. How is the expected revenue calculated in the opportunity? A. Amount multiplied by the total price of all opportunity line items. B. The sales price on any line item times the probability of the opportunity. C. Opportunity amount multiplied by the probability. D. Amount multiplied by the discount percent. Custom LED fields can be mapped to which sets of objects in Salesforce.com? A. Account, contact, opportunity, or campaigns. B. Account, contact, or opportunity. C. Account or contact only. D. Contact or opportunity only. Custom web tab may consist of all the following except A. A URL. B. A URL that passes Salesforce.com data like an organization's name. C. An S-control D. An S-control snippet. How many solution records can be imported via Import Wizard? A. 500. B. 5.000. C. 50.000D. Solution records cannot be imported via Import Wizard. Do users have to display the jump page every time they create a new record? A. yes, B, no. When using territory management, can an opportunity be associated with multiple territories? A, yes, B, no. Universal Containers introduced a new product and wants to track all associated cases that get logged. They're looking for an automated solution that would give the product's 2 lead engineers read-write access to all new cases that reference the new product. What should an administrator do to satisfy this requirement? A, create an auto-response rule and a public group. B, create a predefined case team and an assignment rule. C, create a user-based sharing rule and an ad hoc case team. D, create a queue and a criteria-based sharing rule. If you change the data type of any custom field used for lead conversion, that lead field mapping will be deleted. A, true. B, false. What happens when you delete an object that is related to a junction object by a lookup relationship? A, the junction object is deleted. B, the related fields in the junction object is deleted. C, the master records are deleted. D, the intersection object is deleted. Which of the following are setting options for the user interface? A, enable collapsible sections. B, show quick create. C, show customer sidebar components on all pages. D, transfer all open opportunities. E, enable drag and drop scheduling on list views. Which of the following is the new workflow feature of Spring 11 release? A, workflow rules. B, flows. C, field update. D, outbound messages. In order to enable multi-currency feature in Salesforce, you must A, contact salesforce.com. B, check the Enable Multi-Currency checkbox in your Chatter profile. C, operate your business in at least 2 different countries. D, you cannot enable this feature once you've implemented Salesforce. If a company opts to use custom fiscal years, they cannot use the standard forecasting option. A, true. B, false. When configuring customizable forecasting, you can set which of the following forecast dates for determining which opportunities contribute to the forecast. A, opportunity close date only. B, product date only. C, schedule date only. D, commit date. E, opportunity close date, product date, schedule date. Inline editing is available in Visualforce pages. A, true. B, false. Supervisors at Universal Containers have read access to contacts through their profiles. Sales reps have a separate profile them to edit contacts. Some sales reps are attending a conference for a week, and supervisors will need to fill in to update contact details while they are out. How should an administrator grant proper access to the supervisors? A, Assign a permission set with the edit permission on contact to the supervisors that need it. B. Create a sharing rule to grant read/write access on contact to the supervisor role. C. Update the supervisor profile with edit permission on contact. D. Change the supervisor user's profiles to be sales rep. User interface settings are global settings and apply to all users of an org. A. True. B. False. You are working with a professional edition organization. They wish to install the expense tracker, which requires the use of 4 custom tabs, 3 custom objects, and 1 custom app. If the company is already using 4 applications, 36 custom objects, and 7 custom tabs, what will happen when they try to install Expense Tracker? A. They will not be able to complete the installation process as they have reached the maximum number of custom tabs. B. They will not be able to complete the installation process as they have reached the maximum number of custom objects. C. The installation will succeed. D. The installation will succeed, but only the reports. Records in the recycle bin do NOT count against your organization's storage limits? A. True. B. False. The size limit for documents uploaded is A. 2 megabytes, B. 5 megabytes, C. 10 megabytes, D. 50 megabytes. Chatter external license allow users outside the company to join public chatter groups. A. True. B. False. Which of the following are true about formula fields? A. They are read-only. B. They will not display on record edit pages. C. They will not display on record detail pages. D. They are not searchable. E. They will not display on reports. Which of the following are not standard objects? A. Opportunities. B. Solutions. C. Job applicants. D. Accounts. E. Campaigns. Sales reps at AW Computing need assistance from product managers when selling certain products. Product managers do not have access to opportunities, but need to gain access when assisting on a specific deal. How can the system administrator accomplish this? A. Notify the product manager using opportunity update reminders. B. Use similar opportunities to show opportunities related to the product manager. C. Enable account teams and allow users to add the product manager. D. Enable sales teams and allow users to add the product manager. Which objects can be stored in a folder? A. Emails. B. Documents. C. Dashboards. D. Reports. Which type of field cannot have universal requiredness? A. Lookup. B. Text. C. Email. D. Number. Use A. Blank pick list to filter the values of one pick list based on the value of another pick list. A. Controlling. B. Multi-select. C. Dependent. D. Independent. Ursa Major Solar has service level agreements, SLA, that are routed to support queues. Cases that meet the 24-hour SLA need to be automatically reassigned to the next tier queue. Which feature should be used to fulfill this requirement? A. Einstein case routing. B. Case assignment rule. C. Case escalation rule. D. Auto response rule. A company has a complicated sales process regarding its opportunities. The company has 3 different lines of business: Widget A, Widget B, Widget C, that each contain fields specific to that line of business's industry and customers. For each line of business, there is a specific set of fields that sales users should see, and a different set of fields that marketing users should see. How should an administrator configure page layouts and record types for the opportunity object so that each team sees what it needs to see without cluttered layouts containing unnecessary fields? A. Create 6 record types: Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, Sales Widget C, Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, and Marketing Widget C, with 1 page layout. B. Create 6 record types: Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, Sales Widget C, Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, and Marketing Widget C, with 6 total page layouts, 1 for each record type. C. Create 1 record type with 6 page layouts: Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, Sales Widget C, Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, and Marketing Widget C. D. Create 3 record types: Widget A, Widget B, Widget C, with 6 page layouts: Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, Sales Widget C, Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, and Marketing Widget C. The formula editor may be used all of the following places, except A. S control, B. Formula field, C. Default values on standard fields, D. Workflow field updates. Locale settings control how users view date formats, time formats, and number formats. A. True. B. False. Assignment rules allow leads and cases to be automatically assigned to users and queues based on criteria defined by the system administrator. A. True. B. False. Use custom summary formulas to create calculated summaries on numerical fields in A paste blank and A blank reports. A. Tabular and summary. B. Custom and standard. C. Summary and matrix. D. Matrix and tabular. An administrator at Ursa Major Solar, UMS, needs to create a new user. When creating a username, which 2 considerations need to be taken into account? Choose 2. A. Username is added to the active user log. B. Username must be unique across all Salesforce orgs. C. Username needs to be in the format of an email address. D. Username matches to the user's email address. What should a system administrator use to disable an application for a group of users? A. Sharing rules. B. Web tabs. C. Page layouts. D. Profiles. E. Roles. Users at Universal Containers, UC, adhere to the following process for expense reports. Create the expense report. Attach receipts in an expenses app. Send the report to the accountant to review and approve. An administrator needs to enable this app for Salesforce Mobile. What should you administrator consider from the user's perspective? A user can create list views, attach receipts as photos, and submit records for approval. B. A user can create records, attach receipts as photos, and submit for approval. C. A user can search Salesforce records, attach receipts as photos, and approve records from Chatter. D. A user can utilize search, create list views, and receive record push notifications from Chatter. The administrator at Ursa Major Solar has just finished creating new hot account reports that filter accounts that were modified this year with a rating of hot. The report was shared with the entire sales team. Some users are seeing some accounts that have not been modified since last year and other accounts where the rating is cold. What should the administrator do to ensure that the report works as intended for all users? A. Create a filter using bucketing. B. Create the report in a private folder. C. Lock the report filters. D. Use a cross-object filter. Ursa Major Solar wants all sales users to see a dashboard that displays total closed won opportunity amount by user on a monthly basis. The opportunity sharing model is private. What should the administrator do to fulfill this request? A. Request for the sales manager to create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report and save it to her private dashboards folder. B. Create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report, then save it in the shared dashboard folder as a dynamic dashboard. C. Create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report, choose the sales manager as run as user, and save in the private dashboard folder. D. Request for the sales manager to create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report, select View Dashboard as Me, and save in the shared dashboard folder. Ursa Major Solar wants to upload 10,000 campaigns to Salesforce. Which tool should the administrator utilize to accomplish this task? A. Data Import Wizard. B. Data Loader. C. Bulk Data Load Jobs. D. App Exchange Package. Northern Trail Outfitters has 2 sales groups. Each group has its own unique sales process. The management wants to ensure that the sales groups see their relevant sales process when working on opportunities. How should an administrator meet this requirement? A. Page layouts. B. Enable paths. C. Opportunity teams. D. Record types. You can update licenses on the company profile. A. True. B. False. The administrator wants to track data over a period of time. Which graph would he use? A. Line. B. Horizontal bar line. C. Pie. D. Table. A sales user wants to have edit access to opportunity, but should not be able to import leads and should also be able to delete accounts. Is it possible? A. Yes. Customize a standard profile. B. Yes. Customize a custom profile. C. No, as importing leads cannot be disabled. D. No, accounts can never be deleted. What happens when you delete a custom field? A. Custom fields cannot be deleted. B. The field and its data are permanently deleted. C. The data in the field is saved, and the field is permanently deleted. D. The field appears in deleted list from where it can be undeleted. You can use standard reports when creating A. True, B. False. If I'm looking at a detail page, do I know what record type it is? A. Yes. B. No. Custom links can be used for the following. A. Launching an external URL. B. Running an S-control. C. Running a report. D. All of the above. All of the following objects may have a queue, except A. Accounts. B. Cases. C. Leads. D. Custom objects. Which of the following are true about list views? A. Save list views for future use. B. Specify which groups of users have access to the list view. C. Print list views. D. Follow records and view related chatter posts. E. Export list view data to Excel. F. All of the above. Forecasting can be used with custom fiscal years. A. True. B. False. What is the maximum of actions per time trigger you can have in a workflow rule? A. 50. B. 20. C. 40. D. 80. E. 33. F. 10. Enterprise, developer, and unlimited system administrators can create an unlimited number of custom profiles from scratch. A. True. B. False. Ursa Major Solar, UMS, is using the workflow field update. Which two actions can UMS complete with this feature? Choose two. A. Modify the record type of a record. B. Update the values of a field on a child object. C. Choose a formula field for a field update. D. Apply a specific value to a field. Standard users can import a maximum of how many account records in a session? A. 500. B. 5,000. C. 50,000. D. 500,000. An administrator at Ursa Major Solar is converting a lead and needs to capture custom lead data on the converted contact. What should the administrator do to accomplish this goal? A. Utilize the lead conversion wizard to select the fields. B. Utilize the data loader to move the custom lead data. C. Map custom lead fields to custom contact fields. D. Map custom lead fields to standard contact fields. Ursa Major Solar recently enabled the multiple currencies feature. As a result, which currency will be used as the foundation for all currency conversion rates? A. Record currency. B. corporate currency. C. Active currency. D. Personal currency. Universal Containers created a new job posting on the 1st of the month. It triggered a process-scheduled action that will send a chatter post to the department VPTH in 30 days if the position is still open and the status is not equal to interviewing. On the 10th of the month, an application interviews and the job posting status is updated to interviewing. What will happen to the chatter post in this situation? A. The pending chatter post will be sent in 30 days. B. The pending chatter post will be cancelled. C. The pending chatter post will be paused. D. The pending chatter post will be sent on the 10th of the month. What are two considerations when activating and assigning themes and branding? Choose two. A. Each profile can be applied to a different theme. B. Up to 300 custom themes can be created per org. C. Only one theme can be applied in an org at a time. D. Themes apply to both Lightning Experience and mobile. Where can a system administrator go if they are trying to determine why a user cannot log in to Salesforce? Choose all that apply. A. The login history related list on the user's record. B. The user's profile. C. Manage users. Login history. D. Call Salesforce.com support. Is the data loader cloud-based? A. No. B. Chatter Desktop is not available. In which Salesforce edition? A. Free edition. B. Group. C. Professional. D. Developer. E. Enterprise. F. Contact Manager. Are tags searchable from standard search component? A. Yes. B. No. What do you need to specify when you schedule a report? A. You need user with marketing profile to a schedule reports a. B. You need user permission to a schedule reports a. C. You need user to have a manager role. D. Click Run Report and choose Schedule Future Runs from the drop-down button. A sales VP wishes to view dashboard data by region within his territory. What feature will allow this? A. Dynamic dashboards. B. Dashboard filters. C. Dashboard snapshots. D. This is not possible. Standard fiscal years are for companies that break down their fiscal years, quarters, and weeks into fiscal periods. A. True. B. False. If a lead with a single marketing campaign is converted, the campaign information will map to the newly created contact and opportunity record automatically. A. True. B. False. All of the following actions may take place on a workflow rule, except A. Outbound API message. B. Update field. C. Create a task. D. Create an event. The support manager wants to send an automatic email to the case contact when a case is closed. Which automation tool can the system administrator use? A. Sharing rule. B. Validation rule. C. Workflow rule. D. Case auto response rule. A previous administrator is no longer at Universal Containers, but still owns many records and is the default workflow user. Which security measure should the new administrator take? A. Delete the previous administrator user. B. Reset the password for the previous administrator user. C. Freeze the previous administrator user. D. Deactivate the previous administrator user. Which feature effectively allows you to lock the converted amount on closed opportunities? A. Locale. B. Company profile. C. Multi-currency. D. Advanced currency management. E. None of the above. All of the following are true about default sales teams, except A. Default sales teams are configured on a user record. B. Default sales teams may be added manually to an opportunity record. C. Default sales teams may be added automatically to an opportunity. D. Default sales teams may be added manually to an account record. An approval process begins when a record is A. Created. B. Saved. C. Edited. D. Submitted for approval. Who can invite chatter customers into a chatter group? A. The system admin. B. Group owner. C. All chatter users. D. None of the above. Who can select the sharing button on account and opportunity records? A. The record owner, system administrator, and a user shared to the record. B. The record owner, a user shared to the record, and any user above the record owner in the role hierarchy. C. The record owner, a user above the record owner, and the system administrator. D. The record owner and system administrator. Sales managers want to capture an additional email address for contact records. Which field property will ensure the proper format? A. Data type. B. Default value. C. Field level security. D. Validation rule. Ursa Major Solar recently acquired a company whose sales team has a unique sales process, with stages that are different from the current setup of stages in Salesforce. The Chief Technology Officer, CTO, has decided that the new sales team should not change their process at all. What should the administrator do to incorporate the new SaaS team's process? A. Create new values for the opportunity stage field. Create a new sales process assigned to a custom record type for the new sales team. B. Create a record type and page layout for the new sales team and a custom field for the new stages. C. Create new values for the opportunity stage field and use field-level security to control which teams see which fields. D. Create new values for the opportunity stage field. Order them so that the new sales team's values are at the bottom of the pick list. At Universal Containers, a user's department determines which fields the user can see and edit on opportunities. For example, users on the sales team can edit all fields on the opportunity, while users on the support team have read-only access to these fields. In which location is field-level security controlled for users on these teams? A. Role. B. Sharing rules. C. Profile. D. Public groups. Ursa Major Solar utilizes accounts in its sales process. However, not all users have access to them. New users require read access to accounts. Additionally, 4 new users require edit access. What should an administrator do to configure access for the new users? A. Configure a profile to grant account view access and a permission set to grant account edit access to specific users. B. Configure a profile to grant account edit access and a permission set to restrict read access to specific users. C. Configure a sharing rule for account view access and another sharing rule for edit access to specific users. D. Configure a permission set to grant account edit access to specific users and modify the standard user profile. At Ursa Major Solar, sales representatives use a custom report type for account reports. New fields have been created on the account object. An administrator needs to report on the newly created fields. What should the administrator do to achieve this goal? A. From the custom report type, edit layout, then add the new fields to the report. B. From the custom report type, edit object relationships, then add the new fields to the report. C. Create a new account report and add the new fields from the report builder. D. Create a new account report folder, go to Share, and then add the new fields. Which features should Ursa Major Solar use if they want their support agents who are skilled in a particular product line to own cases directly after customers log them from an automated channel? A. Assignment rules. B. Workflow field update. C. Case escalation rules. D. Case team routing. At CloudKicks, new public articles must be approved before publishing. Users are asked to click the Submit for Approval button to begin the process, but sometimes the user forgets. How should an administrator automate submission so all new public articles will enter the approval process? A. Default the Submit for Approval button. B. Create a new record type and page layout. C. Use Process Builder. D. Update initial actions. Ursa Major Solar customers are starting to request custom-sized solar panels, which are currently unavailable in the standard inventory. Management has decided to add custom sizing as an add-on item in Salesforce. The administrator needs to allow sales users to add custom sizing to the total opportunity sale. What should the administrator do to achieve this goal? A. Add custom sizing as a new product in a price book. B. Make a new custom object related to opportunities for custom sizing. C. Add custom sizing as a new product in an order. D. Add a new field on the opportunity labeled custom sizing. Northern Trail Outfitters wants to backup administrators set up for their org. Once the administrator is set up, they report that they are unable to perform any of the administrative duties. What are 2 possible reasons for the access issues? Choose 2. A. The role needs to be specified on the user record. B. The system administrator profile is unavailable under the Salesforce platform license. C. The active checkbox is unchecked by default. D. The user was given the delegated administrator group access. What does the dashboard snapshot on the home page display? A. Only the dashboard determined by the system administrator. B. You cannot display a dashboard on the home page. C. The first two rows of any of your available dashboards. D. The first row of any available dashboards. E. The complete dashboard set by the user himself. All of the following are true about opportunity pipeline and forecast reporting except A. Pipeline reports may include omitted opportunities from the forecast. B. Forecasts may be overridden. C. Pipeline reports may be overridden. D. Opportunity stages may be used to determine the forecast category of an opportunity. Fields hidden using field-level security are subject to data validation rules. A. True. B. False. All of the following may be uploaded to the AppExchange directory, except A. Custom tabs. B. Custom fields on custom objects. C. Custom fields on standard objects. D. Custom assignment rules. Which one does not apply to custom formula fields? A. Custom formula fields can reference other formula fields. B. Custom formula fields can reference standard fields. C. Custom formula fields can reference custom fields. D. Custom formula fields can calculate across objects. The maximum number of values in controlling pick lists is the same as in dependent pick lists. A. True. B. False. What is the maximum number of actions you can have per workflow rule? A. 10. B. 20. C. 30. D. 40. E. 70. F. 80. Can a delegated approver revoke a previously approved process? A. Yes. B. No. Once the request is approved, only administrator can revoke the approval process. Users can be restricted to view a particular field in views, searches, and reports by hiding the field at A. Page layout. B. Field level security. C. User profile. D. None of the above. Folders are used to organize the following. Choose all that apply. A. Dashboards. B. Reports. C. Documents. D. Email templates. E. All of the above. F. None of the above. Universal Containers wants to back up Salesforce data on a monthly basis. Which set of tools can a system administrator use to meet this requirement? A. Data Export Service, Reporting Snapshots, Einstein Analytics. B. Data Export Service, Data Loader, Report Export. C. Data Loader, Scheduled Report, Reporting Snapshot. D. Data Loader, Reporting Snapshot, Report Export. Ursa Major Solar is using the content delivery feature of Salesforce Content. What are two benefits of this feature? Choose 2. A. Associate the content delivery with a Salesforce record. B. Use password protection for content deliveries that contain proprietary information. C. Customize the URL assigned to the content delivery. D. Encrypt certain content delivery files. Which of the following statements is true about person accounts in backup exports? A. If your organization uses person accounts and you're exporting contacts, person account records are included in the contact data. However, the contact data only includes the fields shared by contacts and person accounts. B. If your organization uses person accounts and you're exporting contacts, person account records are not included in the contact data. C. If your organization uses person accounts and you're exporting contacts, person account records are included in the contact data. The export includes all fields from person accounts. Ursa Major Solar has the following process regarding its opportunities. There are 3 different lines of business, Widget A, Widget B, Widget C, that each contain fields specific, so that line of business is industry and customers. For each line of business, there is a specific set of fields that sales users should see, and a different set of fields that marketing users should see. An administrator needs to configure page layouts and record types for the opportunity object so that each team sees what it needs to see, without cluttered layouts containing A. Create one record type with 6 page layouts. Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, Marketing Widget C, Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, and Sales Widget C. B. Create 6 record types. Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, Sales Widget C, Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, and Marketing Widget C with 1 page layout. C. Create 6 record types. Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, Marketing Widget C, Sales Widget A, Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, and Sales Widget C, with 6 total page layouts, 1 for each record type. D. Create 3 record types, Widget A, Widget B, Widget C, with 6 page layouts, Sales Widget A, Sales Widget B, Sales Widget C, Marketing Widget A, Marketing Widget B, and Marketing Widget C. What can an administrator use to create different content pages for a FAQ and a help article for the support team? A. Knowledge article versions. B. Knowledge data categories. C. Knowledge article record types. D. Knowledge article types. If a profile does not have access to an application, that profile will also not have access to the tabs and objects of that application. A. True. B. False. When you delete a lead from a campaign, it deletes the lead record itself. A. True. B. False. What feature would a system administrator implement to allow AAW Computing's prospects/customers to complete a form on the corporate website and have that data automatically become a lead in Salesforce? A. Auto-response rules. B. Assignment rules. C. Web to lead. D. Escalation rules. Deleted records will be stored in the recycle bin for up to 15 days. A. True. B. False. Validation rules may evaluate an opportunity line item against the opportunity it's associated with. A. True. B. False. User A modifies a record. This modification triggers a workflow rule for immediate execution that includes a field update on the current record. After the execution is complete, what user will be listed under the last modified field of this record? A. User A. B. The designated workflow user. C. The default workflow user. D. The last user to modify the record prior to user A. Which of the following is the best way to make the field mandatory for everyone? A. Page layout. B. Validation rule. C. Roles and profiles. D. Field level security. How can you ensure that a value is entered in a field? A. By field level security. B. By setting property in page layout. C. By creating a lookup field. D. By defining pickup list values. A user profile gas login hour restrictions set to Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The user logged in at 4:30 p.m. on a Tuesday, and it is now 5:01 p.m. Which application behavior should the user expect? A. The user will be able to continue working and start new sessions. B. The user will be logged out, and any unsaved work in process will be saved. C. The user will be logged out, and any unsaved work in process will be lost. D. The user will be able to continue working, but will be unable to start any new sessions. If the user's profile contains login hour restrictions, which of the following time zones is used to calculate the hours they have access to Salesforce.com CRM? A. Organization-wide default time zone. B. User's time zone. C. Time zone set in the user's profile. What is the limit on the compiled size of the formula field? Select the correct choice. A. 1K. B. 2K. C. 3KD. 4K. If your company's fiscal year begins on February 1st and contains the 12 Gregorian months, do you need to enable custom fiscal years? A. Yes. B. No. If you defined a custom fiscal year structure, your company cannot revert to the Gregorian calendar for fiscal purposes. A. True. B. False. (106) You can set the tab as a landing tab while creating the tab for the object. A. True. B. False. Which three objects can be added as campaigns members? Choose 3. A. Person accounts. B. Leads. C. Contacts. D. Accounts. E. Individuals. What is the maximum number of values you can have in a pick list? A. 500. B. 250. C. 600. D. 1.000. E. 2.000. Where are active currencies located? A. Security control. B. User record. Personal setup. C. Company profile. D. None of the above. The district sales director at Cloud Kicks wants to share the leaderboard component on his dashboard with his sales team. What 2 actions should an administrator take to enable this functionality? Choose 2. A. Enable opportunity teams. B. Build a reporting snapshot. C. Turn on chatter feed tracking for dashboards. D. Create a chatter group for the sales team. What is a dashboard made of? A. Tables. B. Summary reports. C. Charts. D. Gouges. When a user logs in the first time to Salesforce, the following takes place. Choose all that apply. A. A cookie is placed in the browser. B. Pop-ups are automatically disabled. C. Their IP address is added to a trusted list. D. They are prompted to answer a security question. Sales user is a standard profile. A. True. B. False. Roll-up summary fields and formula fields are always read only on detail pages and are available on edit pages. A. True. B. False. What needs to be specified to schedule a report? A. Objects. B. Date range. C. Location. D. Frequency. How many fields, columns, can be displayed on a customizable related list? A. 50. B. 10. C. 25D. 100. Clients do not have to enable customizable forecasting before they can ask Salesforce to activate territory management. A. True. B. False. When you have exceeded your general storage limit, you can use your complementary document storage for additional space. A. True. B. False. To make a field required, which of the following is used? Pick the best possible answer. A. Page layout. B. Field level security. C. Profile. D. Both page layout and field level security. If you are added to a sales team with read/write access, you then have the ability to extend sharing on the opportunity to other users. A. True. B. False. Which data can be synced using the new Salesforce for Outlook? A. Custom objects. B. Events. C. Leads. D. Contacts. Printable view does not save all the report formatting. A. True. B. False. Identify the true statements about the workflow approval process. A. When a record is submitted for approval, The admin can edit the record. B. You can forward an email approval request to another email address. C. The approver's delegate can also approve a request. D. Approvers can view an approval request from their home page. E. Approvers can only access an approval page from the application. Data validation rules is not supported in which Salesforce edition? A. Contact Manager. B. Group. C. Professional. D. Developer. E. Unlimited. F. All editions are supported. When you delete a contact, its associated campaign member record is deleted as well. A. True. B. False. This type of relationship links two objects together, but it has no effect on deletion, record ownership, or security, and the lookup relationship field is not required in the page layout. A. Lookup relationship. B. Master detail relationship. C. Master detail, sub-detail relationship. Which can be accessed by a chatter-free user? A. People. B. Content. C. Profiles. D. Groups. E. Files. F. Leads. Which is a consideration when creating a drill-to-detail dashboard component? A. The dashboard component type must be a gauge. B. Drill-to-detail must be enabled on the custom report type. C. The source report must be stored in the drill-to-detail folder. D. The source report must be grouped by record name, record owner, or feed post. The system administrator was testing workflow rules and needs to delete pending time-based workflow actions. How can he/she do this? A. Delete the workflow rule. B. Deactivate the workflow rule. C. Delete the actions in the time-based workflow queue. D. Reset passwords for all users of the org. E. None of the above. Universal Containers has a public read-only sharing model on accounts. A new sales team has been created that will be dealing with high-security customers. The administrator has been asked to hide these accounts from anyone on this team. Which two steps must be taken to hide these accounts without impacting access to the rest of the sales team? Choose 2. A. Change the new team role to be outside the company hierarchy. B. Change organization-wide default on accounts to private. C. Create ownership-based sharing rules. D. Create a new account record type to separate both teams. Universal Containers has decided to offer a partner its products at a discounted rate, applied to all opportunities. What should the administrator do to make sure the appropriate prices are applied to products on opportunities for this partner? A. Create a custom object for the discounted products. B. Create a new discount record type on the product's object. C. Create a new list price on the standard price book. D. Create a custom price book with the discounted list prices. Name one place where inline editing is not currently possible. Choose 2 answers. A. List views. B. Related lists. C. Edit page. D. All of the above. Recent item and lookup hover views use the A sidebar. B. Edit page. C. List views. D. Related lists. Which report format provides a tabular listing of data with sorting and subtotaling of said data? A. Matrix. B. Tabular. C. Summary. Universal Containers sells their products to wholesale partners and retail outlets. Each process has its own set of unique sales stages. Which 3 features can an administrator customize for each opportunity stage? Choose 3. A. Quota. B. Probability. C. Product family. D. Forecast category. E. Type. Which Salesforce editions provide option for customizing profiles? A. All editions. B. Unlimited, Developer, and Enterprise editions. C. Professional, Unlimited, and Developer editions. D. Enterprise, Unlimited, and Developer editions. E. All except Group edition. F. All except Professional edition.